Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more shaggy haircut ideas. You guys loved the last video so much, I thought I would put together some more looks for you. So here we have someone getting a shaggy cut. This one ends around shoulder length. Love the red lip she has here. Such a cute hairstyle. And then here we have someone else getting a shorter version of the trend. So she's kind of getting like a shaggy bob cut. Super cute. Absolutely love the way that turned out. Also kind of just looks like a baby mullet style. So if you're into the baby mullet or the shaggy cut, you'll probably like the baby mullet as well. Here we have someone who also got a shag. This one, of course, is longer, more of a mid-length version. So she has a shag here. She is styling the hair. I love this green color she has mixed in. And we have another shoulder length version. Very cute. Here we see the stylist doing some more shags. So this one, she's actually showing us how she's doing the layers within the cut. Oh wow, this came out super cute. Definitely having that 70s influence. Next up, we have someone with the red hair getting a shag. So the stylist is doing the curtain bangs first. I love the fact that she is going to be rocking two trends in one, the shaggy cut along with the red hair. Such a gorgeous combo. Oh, that came out so beautiful. Very cute. And the way that came out, it actually looks like a longer mullet style. It's so funny how closely the mullet and the shaggy cut can look in appearance. I guess it's just different ways of doing it. So the stylist is cutting in the layers here for the next one. So pretty. Hair looks so full. Beautiful. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed all of the shaggy haircut ideas that were featured in today's video. If you like this one, be sure to check out the other video where I showcase shaggy haircuts, and I will see you in the next one.